receive your new microcontroller with the updated software, just go ahead and pull it out of the enclosure. We'll take our module, open the lid. This will look a little bit different than yours, depending on what version you have, but every module I, for the most part, fill with a monocure silicone to keep it a little bit more water resistant. So you might have to do a little bit of excavating. You're going to want to very carefully expose a little bit more of the microcontroller. It's just sitting in a socket right now. Make sure you don't cut any wires when you're removing some of the silicone. You'll notice that these microcontrollers have a little pin or a notch right in the front. That is for direction. So you want to reinstall the new microcontroller in the same orientation, otherwise it's not going to work. I've been using a nice pair of tweezers, and I just gently get underneath the board and lightly start to pry up. They're pretty tight, so be very careful. Once you've successfully removed the old microcontroller, you're going to want to grab the new one and make sure that all of the pins are gently squeezed together so they're nice and tight. Some of them are sprawled out more and they're not going to fit really nice in all the socket pins. So again, make sure that you have the little notch in the right orientation. You'll set it down into the socket. Making sure that all of the pins line up correctly. Takes a little bit of work. Once everything seems to be sitting properly in the socket, just go ahead, press down firmly, making sure that none of the pins are being bent or distorted at all, so everything is sliding in really nice. And you're done. You can go ahead, put it back together, seal it up, and you're good to go.